Hey guys, so I got a new truck that I bought. Got it from Amazon. I got this new truck. I'm gonna open it. See if I can record it. See if I can open it with one hand. I might be able to. Yes, I can. Yay! Here it is. It came with some stuff. The tailgate opens, and then all four doors open, and when you push it down. One second. Oh, I have to pull out this thing right here. Hold on a second. If I go like that, pull that thing out, and then. Yeah, and then this part opens as well. This part. There's an engine. Ooh. And yeah, that's the new truck I got. Came with some wheels and stuff as well. Extra ones. Yeah, that's the truck I got. Bye.